This is how to change the battery on the L322 Range Rover. So obviously release the bonnet inside and lift the bonnet up. Now you haven't got enough clearance to get the battery out here. So there's actually a feature on the car where you can lift the bonnet up fully. So I'll show you how to do that. So the first thing, the thing that limits the amount it can open is this gas strut. To open the gas struts further, or release the gas struts, what you're going to do is get a screwdriver in here and release the metal clips. And when you've done that, you can then pull this ball joint off. Now you have got to take the weight of the bonnet when you do this, if you've got someone working with you, and then you pull that off. But yeah, watch that the bonnet is now heavy, and it won't stay up on the remaining gas strut. So what you need to do is do that on the other side, which I'll do quickly now. Okay. So I release the metal clip, and then with someone supporting the bonnet, release that. Right, now the next part of the exercise is how to keep the bonnet up. Now what you've got on the Range Rover here is you've got this extra little bit here, and what that does is that goes down, it rotates down, it's sprung, and it clips over the clip at the back. So you need to just push the bonnet up until this bit here clips over. That's it, clips over there. Okay, so there you see it's clipped over there, and do that on the other side as well, and that will keep the bonnet open, so we can then start to change the battery, which we'll do in the next video. Now with the bonnet fully open, we've got more access to the battery. So the first thing we need to do is release this wire. It's just in the washer jet wire that's released in there. Okay, then we've got to undo the two battery clamps, a 10mm socket to do that. I'll show you those when I've got them out. Okay, so basically it's a long bolt with a clamp that just clamps the battery down. We've got two of those to do. It's just the two of them at the front, they're quite accessible. Okay, that's the two of those. There's supposed to be a washer to keep them on. There. Okay, with the 10mm spanner, we've got to undo the battery terminals. So we've released the clip here. Okay, we've got access on this top bolt here, so it's a 10mm. Careful as you do that, not to short the spanner to any bodywork. Okay, remove that one. Okay, we need to do the same for the brown, which is the earth terminal. Okay, so you just need to undo it a couple of clips just to release the tension on the clamp. Okay, and then you can release. Okay, release. Alright, now the next thing you need to do is make sure you've got the wires out the way so that you can lift the battery clear. Okay, now the next job then, when you've got the battery ready to come out, is I've got a little stool, a handy little box here just to give me a little extra height, to give me a little better position to lift this battery out now. There you go. It's a bit snug, but there you go, that's the battery out.